Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online class. Today we are going to read a play. It's a play about the journey of a raindrop. You can see the raindrop here. It's about a raindrop named Pitpat. So today we are going to learn this lesson. Okay. Now, before that, I would like to ask you a question. Your parents, your mother, she washes your clothes and dries it out in the sun. Okay. So where does the water go when you put your clothes out to dry? You dry it in the sun, is it? Your clothes. Where does that water go? The clothes dry due to the heat of the sun. Okay. Water in the ocean also turns into water vapor due to the heat of the sun and it rises up. And this vapor, it forms clouds. But when these clouds become very heavy with water, it falls on earth. Okay. This water flows through the streams and then once again reaches the ocean. You understood? See, I'll explain to you. The water in the ocean, it turns into vapor due to the heat of the sun. Okay. And then it rises up. This water vapor, it forms clouds. But when these clouds become very heavy with water, it falls on the earth as rain. And this water flows through the streams, rivers, etc. once again. And it reaches the ocean. Okay, so this is called the water cycle. So today I'm going to tell about this story, this play. This Pitpat is a small raindrop and it lived in the ocean. Okay, he was floating on a wave and enjoying himself. As the day grew warmer, Pitpat rose up into the air. He met other raindrops and he met another raindrop and his name was Drip Drop. Okay, the other raindrop, the name was Drip Drop. Soon they were in a cloud where they met many other raindrops. Suddenly a storm developed and the raindrops came together and they became large and heavy. And what happened? And they were ready to fall on the earth as rain. As they fell, they joined a stream which joined a river, and the river later joined the ocean. Very simple, this story. Okay, so this lesson I will send you a video. You can go through that. That lesson is explained with good pictures. You can understand better. And so, children, this lesson I hope you understood till here. And now, coming to the exercise part, we have a few exercises given in your book. Tick the correct word to complete the sentences. Pitpat was sleeping on a wave. WAVE, wave. Okay. And then Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a cloud. Pitpat and Drip Drop join others to form a cloud. The large drops become heavy and fall on earth as rain. Pitpat and Drip Drop slide down a rock and fall on a leaf. LEAF, leaf. Then you have true or false. Pitpat was feeling very cold. False. Pitpat wanted to go to the sun. False. The tiny drops joined together to form a cloud. True. The large drops became very heavy. True. Pitpat and Drip Drop fell on a hut. False. Okay. Then the next one is read the clues and write words that end with full. With a lot of power, is called powerful. One who helps everyone, helpful. One who loves to play, playful. Then one who forgets, forgetful. One who is full of cheer is cheerful. Now here you have answer the questions, but before that you can see here, children, the water cycle. See, ocean, then cloud, then rock, then leaf, then stream, and then the river. So this is the journey of Pitpat. First it is in the ocean, then it goes up the cloud, then it goes up the rock, and from the rock it falls down to the leaf, and from the leaf floats to the stream, and then to the river, and back to the ocean. So this is the journey of Pitpat. Okay, then coming to the next part is here. Look at the picture and tick the correct word. Thundering, stretching. What is that Pitpat doing? He is stretching both his arms. Next one is, see the next picture. What is that? Waving. Okay, waving, landing. Waving is the answer. Next one is floating or sliding. Then you have floating and waving. Floating is the answer. Number 5, thundering, sliding. So thundering. Number 6, waving or landing. It's landing. Okay. Next one, circle the correct spelling. See, children, you need to know the spelling. Correct spelling, I have circled it. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Lightning, lightning. Cloudy, cloudy. Thunder, thunder. Windy, windy. Now here is a word search. Okay, find 8 adverbs in the word search. The words are given on both the sides. You need to circle it. I have done this for you. You can circle it. Wisely, neatly, merrily, kindly, sadly, loudly, daily, and gently. Then you have another one. Fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs from the brackets. Okay, you have to fill in with the correct adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb. Okay, and it always ends with ly. Okay, so it explains, it modifies a verb, it tells more about the verb. Okay, my pet cat lapped means to drink, lapped up the milk. How did it drink? Quickly. So quickly, you have to tick that. The mouse ran into the hole swiftly. Ajay exercises daily. The baby played with a rattle joyfully. The mother held the baby lovingly. Okay, now coming to the question and answers, you have to write this in your English fair notebook. Answer the following. What happens when Pitpat feels light and warm? What happens? Pitpat rises up in the air when he feels light and warm. What do Pitpat and Dripdrop see below from the cloud? They saw a boy with his sheep and green mountains. Okay. Number 3. What happens to the clouds when there is thunder and lightning? The clouds start shaking when there is thunder and lightning. And then a few spellings are given. You can write that also in your fan notebook. WAVE, wave. CLOUD, cloud. RAIN, rain. LEAF, leaf. STREAM, stream. RIVER, river. OCEAN, ocean. GREEN, green. MOUNTAINS, mountains. And SHEEP, sheep. Okay, children, so this is for today, and then I'll also send you a video explaining the lesson so that you can learn well. Okay, children, thank you.